How to convert USDT to Solana on Phantom wallet. So the step is so simple to follow. After you open up the Phantom wallet like this, go to swap section. After you come to the swap section, by default you find this Solana as is selected at the top. So now tap on this second one to select USDT. So now as you can see now, it will give you this search bar. Go and search for USDT or just scroll all the way to down. You will find the USDT in this option. Just select the USDT. After you select the USDT, all you have to do now tap on this arrow to switch. So now as you can see now, I switch the USDT to be at the top and the Solana to be at the bottom. So now type in the amount of the USDT you want to convert to Solana in this option. So after you type in the amount of the USDT you want to convert to Solana in this option, so here you'll be able to see the amount of the Solana you receive and tap on this switch. It will give you this, as you can see now, this button, it will be convert button. So after you tap on this swap button, now your USDT will be converted into Solana. And that's it, guys.